a message to Ste-vents Central Heating and Air Conditioning. Hello and good morning. I am Brandon McKean, CEO and Chief of Staff at Stormball. My purpose is to give all the necessary tools to allow contractors like yourself to participate in storm work and the greater mission of saving lives from storms. I oversee the creation, management, and compensation for our team and partners. I am reaching out to you, requesting your dedication to our beliefs and goals. I can't promise it will be easy. We hold our contractors to a very high standard. But if you think you can earn that high-level paycheck, work on a team, and prove what it means to be a Stormball partner, there is a link waiting for you to confirm your intent on our platform. We'd be happy to work with you. Let's get this ball rolling.